Greetings, Bobcats! Today, we will be going through the steps to sign up for direct deposit. If you're expecting a financial aid refund, your refund will be transferred via Electronic Funds Transfer, EFT, to your designated bank account. Before we continue, remember to follow us on social media for important updates. The benefits of setting up direct deposit are 1. Having faster access to your funds. 2. Refunds are sent to your bank account, so there's no need to go to campus and wait in line. And 3. You avoid the delay of mailed checks. First, go to your UC MERCED Connect and go to the left column where you can find the Electronic Student Refund. After clicking the link, remember to read the instructions on the page. If it's your first time setting up direct deposit, make sure to click New EFT. And if you're changing your bank information, click the Change EFT. While you're filling out this information, make sure that you have the information needed from your bank account, like the routing number and accounting number. Make sure you click Submit so you can get your next refund processed through direct deposit. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact the Student First Center or the Student Business Services. Have a great day and thank you.